Hey everyone, how's it going? For today's fun video, I'm going to be showing you how to draw a green bean casserole. So hope you follow along and enjoy this video. Now to start off with our fun Thanksgiving green bean casserole, let's begin by making the actual dish. So I'm going to begin right here, and we're just going to start by making a straight line that's going to come across our paper. Next, I'm going to start right here, and I'm going to draw a line that's going to curve out, and then I want to come down at an angle. Same thing here, we're going to start like right here, we're just going to kind of curve around, and I like to come down at an angle. Or if you want to, you could just come straight down too. Next, I'm going to bring this line across for the bottom of our dish. Then down here, we're going to make a line that goes down and down. Then just draw a line straight across the bottom, just to make the very bottom of the dish. Now, our next step is to add our green beans in here. So I'm going to start right here. I'm going to make a line that's going to come up. We're going to put a curve on it, and then we're going to bring it down. I'll do another one over here. We're just going to go up at an angle, make a curve, and then come down. We'll put one up here. We're just going to go up, curve, bring it down, and then curve here. I'll make one here. We're just going to go down, curve, bring it up, and then curve it. And then we'll put one over here. Just going to go down, curve, bring it up, and then curve. Next, what we're going to do is, starting here, let's make some bumpy lines. They're just going to come up to this first little green bean. Then we're just going to make some more that curve right to here. And then we're just going to curve down to here. Next, I'm going to make a line that's going to come out. We're going to curve and in. We'll do one here, just kind of up, curve, and down. And then one here, just kind of up, curve, and then down. Next, I'm just going to make a little curve on a few of these different little green beans here, just to kind of make them look a little bit more three-dimensional. And we'll do one more here. Now let's go ahead and give our little casserole dish a funny face. So I'm going to begin by making a circle for an eye. I'm going to leave some space, and I'm going to make another circle for an eye right here. I'm going to color in a black dot for the pupil, and I'll color in a black dot for the pupil here. For the mouth, let's make a line that comes across. Then we're going to curve down and up. Let's make a little sad face for the tongue. And then a line that comes across for the teeth. And then we can just color this part in with our marker for the inside of the mouth. And there you go. There is your drawing of a cute, funny little green bean casserole for Thanksgiving. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.